Here are the easiest ways to make money on Fiverr that require no skills or prior experience. In this video, I will show you how this account has generated over $19,000 in the past few months with Fiverr. There are free tools that I will also provide you with in this video that will do the tasks for you. And if you stick around until the end of this video, I will show an even simpler way to make money with Fiverr without doing any of the work yourself. Fiverr is an entirely free marketplace available to users worldwide where you can sell your services. And of course, you can purchase services. However, in our case, we won't be making any purchases. Across 64.5 million visitors visit Fiverr each month from all over the world, according to SimilarWeb. More than 64 million individuals visit Fiverr.com every month, with visitors from numerous countries, including the United States, India, Pakistan, and the United Kingdom. This opens up countless opportunities for us to make money on the platform. Before we start with a list of services that you can do to make money, you will need to sign up for a Fiverr account. I will have a link in the description and pinned comment for you to sign up for free. And if needed, you can search on YouTube for tutorials on how to create an account and/or list a service on Fiverr, and there are plenty of tutorials to teach you just that. So now that is out of the way, let's begin with the first service that you can provide, which is brand name and slogan services. For this gig, I have free tools for you that will pretty much do the work for you, but first, let's take a brief look at an illustration of what you can anticipate from doing this task. As you can see here, individuals are earning decent money for doing this simple task: $80, $60, $245, etc. Anyways, let's click on this gig right here where it says I will develop brand name, product name, domain name and slogan. As you can see, this seller has already made a good number of transactions and even has 6 orders waiting in line right now. And for $245, all he essentially does is supply 5 brand names, slogans, and domain and trademark check. Now let me show you how you can easily accomplish this task in under 5 minutes. First, to get the brand names and domain availability, you can utilize a website like namelix.com where you can just enter in whatever keyword you want to use. For example, let's input the word camera. And here you may choose how creative you want the name to be. So let's select medium, press generate, and now we will have a lot of pretty amazing names that even have the domain registration option available. So, looking at this gig, the merchant does indeed supplies just that. As a result, if I simply switch to any of his packages, we can see that the brand names he offers for this are also not registered or taken by anyone, allowing any interested buyer to presumably trademark and create a website using the name, which, to my understanding, is exactly what namelix.com does. Most of the names it comes up with should be available for registration. By the way, any hosting and domain checker, such domains .google, godaddy.com, etc., can be used to quickly double-check if the domain name is available. Anyways, if I open up this particular one, for instance, we'll find that there is a location where you can actually buy this domain, though you certainly don't have to do so in order to carry out this specific task. Thus, we just use this to confirm that the domain is not taken. Now, to make things even simpler for you, there is another free tool that you can use to generate brand names automatically. This alternative website is called businessnamegenerator.com, which also offers domain checking. Secondly, to create slogans you can use Shopify's free slogan generator. Simply enter a word and the generator will produce free slogans for you. Finally, to check for trademark availability, you use the official US government website. Simply Google USPTO trademark search, click on the first official website, then click on the Search Our Trademark Database button, and finally click on Basic Word Mark Search. Here you will be able to check if a name is already trademarked or not by simply pasting the name in the search box and clicking Submit Query. When you perform a search, it may display a list of names that have already been registered and are live trademarks and those you cannot use. The second gig idea that you can do on Fiverr is SEO report, also known as search engine optimization report. Think and just imagine how many businesses want to be on Google's first page. Think about the number of influencers who want to promote their content and get visibility. Think about how many blogs there are. I could continue on and on. You may choose from an endless number of targets for this service. Most of these folks are interested in knowing if their SEO is effective or ineffective, the reasons behind their poor rankings, and what they can do to improve, and that's where you will step in. They could work with an agency and spend a significant amount of money, of course, but you will be more appealing to them since your service will be less expensive than such agencies. Individuals are earning hundreds of dollars doing this simple service. There are numerous websites that will surely provide you with an SEO report for a specific website. I will show you 2 websites that will automatically generate these reports for you, and all you have to do is download the report and send it to the person you're trying to reach with a message like, "Hi XYZ, I found a few issues with your website that are affecting your SEO ranking. We can assist you in fixing it, which should help you rank on Google's first page." This isn't the greatest example, but you get the point. And perhaps if they are an influencer, you can offer that service as well. Anyways, the first website is this one right here, neilpatel.com/SEO-analyzer, where you can enter any website URL and click on the next button to have it analyzed for you. SEOanalyzer.me is the second website that will generate the report for you. The third gig idea on the list is banner ads. This is another simple service that you can do and earn a decent amount of money. You're going to be making those small banner ads that appear when you visit websites, those little banners that you see there. As you can see, there is a number of individuals providing such services on Fiverr. There is a lot of interest here, even if all you do is make animated banner advertisements. These services receive many reviews and purchases. You may generate similar banner advertising using a website that I am about to show you. You don't need to be familiar with HTML5. Starting a free trial will allow you to create banner ads immediately. And I suppose that the majority of these sellers use this website. Now, you're probably thinking, who might be interested in these services? Well, you may target businesses, agencies, websites, or anybody wanting to create a banner ad, or even individuals who plan on creating advertisements to put on their website or possibly on Google in the future. And believe me when I say that many marketing companies wish to just outsource this function. They do not want to hire someone only to complete these basic jobs, which is why they need people like you to do these services for them. And as I mentioned, this website, createop.com, enables you to build banner advertising simply by using templates. You truly do not need any experience, and you can provide the HTML5 code directly to your consumer. Simply sign up, navigate around, and you can build your first banner ad in about 5 minutes. Also, if needed, you can watch YouTube tutorials on how to use createop.com. Moreover, it only takes a few minutes to design and create these banner ads. Additionally, the majority of your customers won't suspect that you utilize this website. They'll assume you're brilliant, which greatly increases their opinion of you. Moving on to the final gig idea on the list, we have website testing or beta testers. It goes without saying that anytime a new software or website is released, beta testers are in demand. Therefore, it stands to reason that the input that companies will receive will be quite helpful in helping them improve their goods. Additionally, most new products or services will not have users, so these companies will look for individuals to test their items. They necessitate individuals to test their goods. Beta testers are necessary and are always needed. Given that you're viewing this video, you likely already possess a computer or a laptop with an internet connection. However, in some circumstances, you might be able to get by with only a phone. As you can see when you visit Fiverr.com and enter in website testing, you can see that individuals are receiving views, orders, and ratings, proving that the strategy is effective and that they are undoubtedly generating money. If we look at this service for example, I will professionally test the usability of your app or website. This guy is definitely making money doing this simple task. So once a buyer pays for their service, they will just message them their app or website link, and they'll test the functionality and provide them with comments. Moreover, this is an easy task because all you have to do is click and navigate through an app or website and earn money. Now, as promised at the beginning of the video, here is how you can make money with Fiverr without doing any of the work yourself. So with this method, you are essentially drop servicing. You can therefore use platforms like freelancer.com as well as others like peopleperhour.com, upwork.com, and many more to conduct drop servicing. So you can locate the same services on many different freelancing websites that are alternatives to Fiverr for a little bit less money. For example, if you offer a service on Fiverr for $50, every time someone purchases it, you may indeed use another freelancing website to find a freelancer who would complete that same task for $30 or $20, and you just profit the difference. However, bear in mind that Fiverr actually charges an upfront fee of 20%. Therefore, if someone purchases anything from you for, say, $50, Fiverr will deduct $10, leaving you with only $40. So that should also be taken into account. In order to make a profit, you need to locate someone who will provide that same service or job for less than $40. Moreover, because you're not performing the labor yourself, you can grow this significantly since you're able to offer an indefinite number of services each month. You're not doing anything yourself, so you could supply thousands of services each month. Overall, anyone can do these tasks and make thousands of dollars on Fiverr if they put in a bit of effort. I hope you found some valuable information in this video, and that's all there is to it. Before we leave, be sure to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified every time we release a new video on how to make money online or new innovative strategies to achieve financial freedom. And you can get started right away. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up and don't be hesitant to leave a comment down below if you have any questions or comments about it. With that being noted, have a wonderful day and I'll see you in the next video.